Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grapple within various grapple points on the Far Cry 5 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Far Cry 5 game on your device and you can continue forward with your old game save, or you may also start a new game if you wish. Now, while you are playing the game, you will be able to use your grappling hook in order to grapple and climb to various different points. Now, whenever you come across any location which shows a blue colored rope, then you can tap on the E button in order to grapple to this location. Once you have grappled, you can simply use your mouse controls in order to ascend and descend on this surface. You can click on the left mouse button in order to climb up, and you can click on the right mouse button if you wish to climb below. You can also jump by using the space button, and if you wish to get down from this grapple, you can simply tap on the C button within your keyboard and you will now get off from this grappling point. So by using this method, you will be able to reach higher points within the game with relative ease. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to grapple between various different points on the Far Cry 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.